In this video, we will discuss and walk through the steps needed to verify that your AAON Multi-Trans Smart Ecosystem, or AMTSE, is communicating properly with AAON's Prism software. Let's begin by starting at your AMTSE screen. On the main screen, press the button for Setup, and then press the button for Network Comms on the Setup menu. Make sure the communication settings are as follows. Communication protocol should show Modbus. The baud rate should be 57,600, and the Modbus ID should be 009. Now let's verify the physical connections. Confirm that the VCCX2 MSTP eBus board R positive is connected to B positive or pin 31 on the AMTSE. Next, ensure that the MSTP eBus board's T negative is connected to A negative or pin 32 on the AMTSE. Make sure the network termination switch is in the off position on the AMTSE. In the VCCX2 controller, press the Menu button until Settings is displayed, and then press the Enter button until eBus is displayed. Use the up-down buttons to select Low Speed. In Prism, confirm that the version is at least 1.59 or later. If you need to update to the current version, the update instructions can be found at www.aaon.com/controls-technical-support. Click the Details Viewer icon. Take a look at the readings under the Airflow Status header. If the values match the ones displayed on the AMTSE, then no further action is needed. If these values go from a value to 0, then back to a value, go to the VCCX2 controller. Press the Menu button until Settings is displayed, and then press the Enter button until eBus is displayed. Use the up-down buttons to select Low Speed. If, however, the values under Airflow Status are showing 0 CFM or are not updating, we will proceed with the next set of steps. In Prism, select the Configuration button in the bottom bar and open Configuration Page 1. Check to make sure that the correct systems for monitoring airflow are selected under Airflow Stations, and that the Airflow Station model is selected as Paragon MTSE sensor. Open the Paragon Setpoints page by clicking on the Airflow Stations model wording and then clicking the Paragon MTSE button. On the Paragon Setpoints page, make sure that the correct flow measurements are selected and that these checkboxes match the selection for Airflow Stations on Configuration Page 1. Warning: Program MTSE, Update MTSE, and Restore MTSE Factory Defaults buttons should not be selected unless directed to do so by a Paragon Tech Support representative. Return to the Details Viewer page to ensure flow values in the Airflow Status match the values as shown on the AMTSE display. If these values do not match, please contact our Tech Support team for additional assistance at 707-579-1424. Paragon Controls, the sensible solution.